My friend, my friend, my friend, kababa, mama, love your parents, respect your parents, appreciate your parents, do everything good for your parent. Your parent is your earthly God. He or she is the one who created you. He is the one that he or she, mama or papa, they are the ones that brought you into this world. Appreciate your parents, be proud of them, do anything to make them happy. Look at this young girl. Look at this young girl. She has taught us today a very big lesson. There are some people whose parents are not disabled, whose parents are normal, but they cannot represent or present their parents to their friends, to their neighbors. They live like they are alone in this world. They live like orphans. They feel that their parents are disgraceful to them. Mama, love your parents. Kababa, love your parents. Imagine this girl, the lesson that she is teaching us today. Look at her father. They have been together since she was young, and she has been beside her all the way through. She has never been ashamed of her father. Look at how her father has brought her from far. She was young, now she is a big girl, but look at them. They are still together. She hasn't shown disrespect to him. She didn't hide when the parent came to visit her in school. She didn't run away. Instead, she embraced her father the way she is, the way her father is. Look at how they are singing together. Isn't that picture joyful? Isn't it? Some of you want to run away from your parents because they are poor, because they don't work in big offices, because they don't know who is who, because they are disabled, because they are ugly, because you have all manner of excuses. But today, this is a big lesson that this girl is teaching us. Just look at them. Look at them. Imagine about your parents, wherever they are. How long have you taken before visiting them? How long have you taken before just taking your phone and calling mom? Say, hello mom, hello dad, how are you doing? Most of you avoid your parents at all costs. Even when you see your parent calling your phone, you don't want to pick. You give it to your friend to tell them that you are not around. And you say that your parents are just disturbing you. They don't have anything